Okay. So if you are hearing me, I am seeing others are saying we don't hear you. Sanjo says, I say I don't know if the lecture has started or not, but there's no sound. And a lot of you guys are saying, yes, you are hearing me. So maybe there's a problem with this guy's machine. Anyone to give me sound feedback? Nico? Nico, do you hear me? Hello, Nico? Hello, guys. So if I call your name, you can unmute your mic and respond.
I'm hearing you.
You are hearing me?
Yes, sir.
That's fine. So if I call your name, you unmute your mic, you respond, then you can turn off your mic. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So especially Nico, I will refer to you a lot of times. So I will need feedback from you, Nico.
It's
Is
okay,
that
sir.
so?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
because you are the class rep, so I expect that you will be giving me some feedback. So if I call your name, you unmute your mic, you respond, then you mute back. Is
Okay.
it? But are you hearing me? Is the sound okay?
Yeah, the sound is okay, sir.
Okay. So we were on education 5.0. So we are saying we need to appreciate the ministry's doctrine, what they require us, what they expect from you and from us. So we want to understand what is meant by education 5.0. So we are going just to have a preview. And if possible, I may just probably throw a small question on this area, but nothing much. We just need to appreciate what education 5.0 is all about, what they require us to do, and what is probably expected from our teaching, from our learning, from our research. Is it? So we are going to discuss a little bit about that. And then the last page there is the sources that we can use. We need to read and we need to consult various sources. We don't just rely on the lectures. You also need to read, and we read around the areas that are covered by the course outline and probably any other areas that might interest you. But as you know that we are going to have other higher level courses that are going to cover a lot of issues that are not covered in this course outline. So we are going to reserve other areas for those modules. And this is the end of our course outline. And today, I don't think it's proper to continue to the first lecture, but probably we may need to talk about small issues, housekeeping issues. Nico, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Right. What we want to do is, because we are probably not going to get time to meet face to face, we are going to be relying on this platform. So we are going to try as much as possible to do all our activities via this platform. Are we together?
Okay. Okay.
So I expect you guys to be as punctual as I don't know, because if I give you let's say a test, I'm going to give you this test on this platform. Not on the BlueButton, but the second platform, which is the VLE.
Okay.
I hope you are all familiar about it, and it.
No.
Okay. So last semester, were you not introduced to the VLE platform? You were not.
We were not, sir.
What about this one, the BigBlueButton?
Yeah, takangoita one chete.
Okay. And this semester, this is your first one.
No.
Okay. You have done some lectures on BlueButton already.
Yes, economics.
Good. It's fine. So there is the other platform, which is the portal. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So on the portal, the VLE one, that's where I am going to give you the assignment, the test, and the group discussions I can give you on VLE, but I may require you to come and present on the BigBlueButton.
Okay.
Is it okay?
All right.
Right. So what we are going to do is, suppose I want to give you the test tomorrow. Is it? I am going to not really tomorrow, but at a later date, like next week. I may tell you that we are going to have our test on Tuesday next week. Is it?
Okay.
And then, if the test is for a period of 30 or 1 hour, 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Yeah.
So I'm going to open the window for probably 6 hours. But
All right.
as soon as you log in to have your attempt, if your 30 minutes or 1 hour, depending on the duration of the test, expires, then you are terminated. Is it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I will not accept people who are going to say I didn't write the test because of maybe there was no power, because I may open it for the whole day, but as soon as you log in, you have your attempt. If the time period expires, then you are logged out.
All right, sir.
Then whatever you have done will be automatically submitted.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes. So I will not hesitate to record my zeros from some of you guys. I know that some of you, they always want to have a valid pool of marks.
All right.
On one assignment 0, on one assignment 100%, it's still okay. Is that so?
All right, sir.
Yeah. So I will encourage you guys to try as much as possible to make your attempts for all the tests that I am going to give you. I may probably decide to give you 2 or so, and maybe 2 quizzes or so. And the reason why I give you those tests and quizzes and assignments is basically to prepare you for the exam. Is it?
All right.
Yes. So much of the things that I will be asking you to do, they are actually meant to prepare you for the exam, as well as contributing to coursework. But coursework is just something else. But I will be preparing you for the exam, and then they also contribute to your coursework. And as you know that if you don't have coursework, even if you write the exam, it will be given 0. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's very critical that you all have your coursework. And I don't want a situation whereby I will, I will try to run around looking for you, looking for some of you who have not submitted their assignments. We don't want that, is it?
Okay, sir.
Actually, it's you as a student who should try to contact me to say, but I have not seen my mark for this test, for this assignment, but I have submitted, or say I have not submitted this one, I had a problem like this and that, but I am going to try and give you enough time to prepare for that, so that you know that on such a date, we are going to write a test. On such a date, we are going to write a test, but you also need to be a registered student for you to access these services on the portal, the VLE one. And the management is actually getting more strict and more strict in terms of following us on how we are giving you these tests and the learning material via the VLE. So we'll do just that. I will not allow you to submit via email. You will need to submit via the authorized platform, which is the VLE. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So that's basically what we are going to do. And the next